Hi, my name is Michael, and I'm switching careers into AI programming. This is the weekly update where we pretend that you are the manager, and this is our one-on-one. This is week 2. Let's get into it. What I am working on. Still working on the app. I have a third feature to add. I haven't restarted the AI map, but I'm going to start reaching out to people for networking so that the AI map has to restart. What do I need help with? Development workflow. When you start a new project, how do you decide how to order the things to do? What I did last week. I tried to change some features, didn't make progress on them, put a lot of time in, got sucked in. Then reprioritized and started working on some key features those had more success with. What is parked? Nothing. What is completed? Still nothing. Other things to flag? I'm going to Toronto in a week. Something fun from this week. Last weekend I went to UBC campus and checked out the building where my classes are going to be. And that was fun because it just made the whole experience a lot more concrete and real. I also took an artsy photo of my Brompton in front of the building, so I'm going to post that to the Instagram. What I liked about the work. I liked that this time, compared to last week, rather than asking ChatGPT for the code, pasting it in, and then reverse pasting the errors, doing all that, and then afterwards asking Chat to explain lines so I understood what I had done. This time I asked Chat, what's the code? And then before I even put it into the development environment, I asked Chat to go line by line through and explain to me what was happening. So this time when I was adding things, I understood what was already happening. That felt a lot better. What I struggled with, I spent too much time on nice to have features. For example, there's a button that I wanted to move down to the lower right of the screen, and it was up in the top right. And I tried to move it down and only went halfway. So I spent time debugging, okay, is it the parent element where this should go further down? Whole lot of other details you don't need to know about. Point is, I spent a lot of time trying to do something that seemed simple and still didn't get to a solution. And after a few of these, I was starting to get discouraged and feel that no progress was really being made. That's when I looked back and set a hard line for what features actually have to be in the app and which are nice to haves. Something I used to think, but now understand better. So I used to think that regularly committing to GitHub when I'm doing a project all on my own was kind of more going through the motions. But now that I've started to work on things and experiment in areas, it's really helpful to be able to go back to a time when your code was fully working. And that's it. To sign off this week, I want to thank my friend Evan. I usually go to him for coding advice, and he said with this project, just start with ChatGPT, see how far you get, and when you get stuck, talk to me. And I've been able to make it pretty far just using ChatGPT. It's cool to feel competent even when I'm starting out.